Hey guys, welcome to part 2 of this 4-part series on how to effectively grow your pipeline using LinkedIn groups and Sales Navigator and then automating the process. If you don't know me, my name's Ellen Cook. I am an expert at growing your pipeline. Now, in today's video, we are going to be sharing with you our Growth House tips on how to effectively social sell through an automation process. So part 1 in this video is going to be teaching you our copy that has worked from us and time again for our clients, but also how to build a sequence on our platform. This platform is going to blow your mind, first of all, but I'm going to get into that later in this video. Let's jump on my screen and show you our copy.
So see in here that I have created a 3-part funnel. So normally, if you wanted to social sell and you wanted to engage, what I would do in here is I would add in perform an action. So what that means is we have the ability to endorse top 5 skills. I wouldn't add all of these in because it actually slows down your outbound communication. But the part of social selling is engaging with that person and making them aware of who you are so that you've had one touch point and you go, hey, actually, I've seen that Ella girl before. I know who she is. That gives you a little bit more of like, it's not such a cold outreach. They've gotten a one touch point for you prior. For me, that didn't really matter to me because I know my target audience, they're busy people. They don't really care if I've endorsed their top 5. You know what I mean? They're on LinkedIn and they're open to being communicated to. So for my campaign, I have started with, hey, first name, I saw we're both a part of the same B2B lead generation group on LinkedIn. And as a fellow US entrepreneur, I would love to learn more about company name. So to me, that felt like a beautiful opening message because it's something that I'm saying and I generally mean it. I love working with entrepreneurs and I love learning more about their companies. Do not say something that you don't mean. If I was to jump on a call, I would be generally interested about who they are, what they do, and this is a beautiful opening message for them to feel warm, but also be like, they want to learn more about me. I'm not talking about my business. I'm not talking about what I can sell them. I'm saying, let's learn a little bit more and see if there's any synergies. Enjoying this video, please give a subscribe and a thumbs up. It boosts my ego, but it also, more importantly, helps this channel grow. Now, I've created for you a free resource on how to LinkedIn lead generate from start to finish. Plus, it also has my Notion portal. This is my secret weapon to growing and scaling my LinkedIn lead generation agency clients. This also has an AI built into Notion, so it helps you so much with producing high quality copy. Back to the video. If they do not respond to that first message, when you're building out an automated campaign, only make sure you send it an hour, 2 hours, 3 hours after. Never send it straight away because as soon as that message goes through straight away, they know it's an automated campaign. And it ruins the rapport. If they were to respond to this whole sequence would stop. But if they haven't responded to this is a really cool part. 3 days later, they will be sent another follow-up message. So think about the language you've used in the first message. I said, hey, first name. So now what I've done is I've just said first name, comma. What's the most valuable lesson you've learned in occupation? So I'm using different personalized key placeholders to be able to build out something that feels like the right question to ask if they haven't answered to that first message and it's been 3 days. Just want to check in. Let me know. This might spark something in them to be like, wow, she actually is genuinely interested. The third message is optional. You don't want to feel like you're spamming someone, but I do know from A/B testing that the third message sometimes will click or they generally haven't been on LinkedIn, and it's not that they're ghosting you. They just haven't had time. They're a busy entrepreneur, or they have just a busy role. Okay, so don't take it personal. So you'll see here, 3 days later. Hey, first name. I thought I would try to reach you one last time. I would love to see if I can add value to company name. So now I'm becoming more direct. So I want you to take this inspiration of how I've built out this sequence. I want you to watch the next video in the next part, because this is going to teach you how to build out your own automation using the Growth House platform.